Blood cancer, the fifth most common type of cancer in the UK, affects the blood, bone marrow, lymph and lymphatic system. There are three main groups will fall under the term blood cancer: leukemia, lymphoma and myeloma. Some symptoms are common across all three types, whereas others are more characteristic of particular types of blood cancer. But it's important, if you experience any or all of the symptoms, to visit your GP, who will refer you for further tests. Get it, or you have itchy skin. The sign could be a symptom of blood cancer. Some symptoms are common across all three types, whereas others are more characteristic of particular types of blood cancer. According to Leukemia Cure, the common symptoms of blood cancers can include unexplained weight loss, fatigue, feeling weaker, breathless, easily bruise or bleed, enlarged lymph node, swollen stomach or abdominal discomfort, frequent and repeated infections, fever, night sweats, pain in bones, joints, itchy skin, bone pain, ribs, back. Getty blood cancer, if the fifth most common type of cancer in the UK. Thursday, December 15, 2016. Rare cancers you've probably never heard of. Bloodwise advises blood cancer symptoms can be quite vague, and many of them are shared with illnesses like colds and flu. For example, tiredness, fever or an infection. Lumps are a common symptom of lymphoma, but other, less serious illnesses also cause lumps. Because of this, see your doctor if you have symptoms or groups of symptoms that you think are unusual for you, or last for longer than normal. Someone is diagnosed with blood cancer in the UK every 14 minutes. Getty blood cancer symptoms include night sweat, shear are the three most common types of blood cancer explained. Leukemia. This is a cancer of the white blood cells. According to the NHS, it is sometimes called acute leukemia, which means it progresses rapidly and aggressively, and usually requires immediate treatment. Symptoms can develop across a few weeks and become increasingly more severe. Lymphoma. This occurs when lymphocytes, white blood cells that help to fight infection, become out of control. According to the Lymphoma Association, they divide in an abnormal way or do not die when they should. Getty blood cancer symptoms include fatigue. This is a type of bone marrow cancer which affects the production of healthy blood cells. It can affect several areas in the body, but often the spine, skull, pelvis and ribs. According to the NHS, in the early stage it may not cause any symptoms. However, later on signs include a dull ache in your bones, weak bones, tiredness, repeated infections and brushing and unusual bleeding, including heavy periods. Turmeric has been proven to have major benefits for your body and brain, but can it really cure cancer? One woman says the golden spice stopped her blood cancer in its tracks.